We got another bad day of trading today. I don't really want to be making this video. It's not fun to put out losing content, but I believe in transparency. I think that's key to watching a real trader trade, is to see struggles like this as well. So enjoy. I actually only have one live recorded trade. There was only one trade I took this morning, but of course there's a lot I take off camera. So make sure you stick around, see how the day really ended up. We'll plug it into TraderView. Look at how bad it looks now. But we're going to, once again, the name of transparency, still get the information out there. Hit like, help make me feel better. Hit the red subscribe button if you appreciate the transparency. And let's get into the live trade here first. Obviously, SPY is weak, breaking up above levels. We are a price action trader. We are going to short as it breaks up levels. Let me just confirm. Confirmed. We are short at 391.86. We are short. Okay, first trade of the day at 10:12 a.m. It's been a bit of patience this morning waiting for the trade. Unfortunately, this ATR was above 1 up here, so we weren't able to capture this short. But it is what it is. It doesn't match the setup. It doesn't match the setup. When it does, take the trade. Here we go. See what happens. It did get the new headphones, YouTube. You guys haven't seen them yet? I did get the new headphones that I was talking about getting in the video the other day. We're down $60 immediately in this trade. Wow. It's funny. I look at the bars and I'm like, okay, you know, it's pushing a little bit. I don't look at the PL and then I notice, wow, it's actually a 60-cent move since we entered. SPY is just so volatile lately. It's like, it doesn't look like much on the chart. Then you look over and you're down $60. Like, wait. When did that happen? What the As you guys saw on Friday, we do not have stop losses for shorts. We actually still don't. I was this morning on stream trying to find a way to implement a stop loss for shorts. I just really can't find one. I do want to implement one, even if it makes the P&L a little less profitable. I do want to implement a stop loss for shorts. Because even if it makes, once again, the back testing P&L a little smaller, you've got a future proof as well, right? Because you never know. SPY could go on like a fucking 10-point rally one time when you get in one of these shorts. You could really get screwed, right? And a future proof the strat as well. Okay, so we got back to break even in the trade, and now it's pushing back up. We're down $50 again. Bits of chop, but this candle closes here in 2 seconds. Looks like a kind of a doji, kind of not so much. It does have wicks on both sides, though. Candle. Wow, GovX is doing crazy stuff. Paul, did you short this? You're talking about it. You were talking about shorting it. Did you get a position in that, Paul? Wow. Look at that. Horizontal resistance level much? Double top much? Just into a death candle? That's rough. That is rough. Can SPY do that? Death candle on SPY? That'd be nice. For my trade, it would be nice. For my investment account, it wouldn't be so nice. I'm kind of a catch-22 when I short the markets. I'll make money if SPY goes down in this trade, but I will be losing money in my investment accounts. But the investment account doesn't sell lows though, so unrealized losses. No, but I called everything out in chat before it happened the way it happens. Nice. Yeah, I saw you talking about it. Good shit. That's why you're a VIP, baby. Paul's calls. Paul knows what he's doing, man. Shorting those low float stocks. He does. Especially for shorts, I use stops. Getting squeezed for me is a lot more stressful than facing a breakdown. It depends, right? I mean, like, yes, the max loss on a short is infinity, but like, yeah, I'm index trading, right? Like, SPY is not gonna all of a sudden rip to 700. It's just not, right? It's just not gonna happen. In before, but it depends on what you're trading. You sure as shit better have stop losses on shorts. If you're shorting the low floats, you sure as shit better have a stop loss, yeah, because those can all of a sudden rip 100% in your face, like. Did push high a move. We are down, I think we were down $90 there at worst. We're down 80 right now. Still, obviously, cover condition below the blue line. Now you jinxed it, SPY to 700. SPY to 700 today, SPY. Trey said so. Imagine. Chillin'. SPY big move down, obviously gapped up this morning, tried to be strong, caught a big move down, we shorted the next spike. And we're not panic covering at highs, right? We only cover breakdowns. Doesn't mean we always make money. Of course, you guys see that all the time. We don't make money. But you always wait for the stock to come in your direction before you get out. Buy red candles, sell green candles. Always. That's what our strategy is doing, right? Even if we do lose money, it'll still wait for a move in its direction. There are conditions like the flash crash that could really hurt. Yeah. Or you could be short during that. You could have also made a shitload of money during like the Black Monday random flash crash. Like those kind of black swan events are a little bit of give and take because sometimes you might be long and get screwed, sometimes you might be short and bank. and the longs have a stop loss too. Wow, what a candle. Okay. They're doing that thing again where SPY is super strong. SPY is super strong right now. When you see a move like that, you know SPY is super strong. I guess I, in human perspective, could just exit now that I know SPY is strong, but not going to. Going to respect the system, right? Yeah, that sell-off candle under candle followed by an immediate push to highs within the same candle is ridiculous strength. That is ridiculous strength on a 2-minute candle. Break down the low of this candle for a minute and then to rip like that. This feels like it wants higher. Feels like it wants more. But we'll trust the system. How many times have I said that and been wrong and made money? Had a feeling SPY will continue upward Momo today, so bias was long. Sure. The thing is, everybody starts saying that after SPY goes up, right? SPY's going up. Oh, my bias was long, bro. Like, I don't mind. Okay, I do mind. Do I love being down $100? No, but I also trust my system over time, right? I do trust my system over time, right? Look at the 15-minute massive wick below. I'm sure. Doesn't mean anything to me though. I don't use that information for my trades, so. SPY does look strong right now, it does. But I gotta trade the system that I have proven and backtested, right? That's it. That just, there's not really an opinion about that. That just kind of is how it works. You prove and backtest the system and then you trade that system. That's trading. My bias is SPY goes up, then down, then up, then down. I hope it does. That's kind of what the system thrives on, is the wave price action of SPY, right? It's currently not working in this trade. But the sell condition is still down here. The sell condition is still below, like still looking for profits. Like if SPY wants to make a lower high here, which, you know, could. Lower high, lower low. Little lower high to lower low move. That would be great. All of a sudden, now we're only down 40 bucks in this trade. 50 bucks. We were down, what were we down? I think we were down 150 at worst, weren't we? I could do the math. 393, yeah, 393.43, now to 392.43, yep. We are up 100 bucks from where we were. Obviously still not getting out of the trade, but for the simple ladies, for the ecstasy. Chillin'. Just watching. Still got to print below the blue line, and then obviously we will maximize. If it prints, it's got to be below the blue line And it's got to close above the low of previous candle, right? We will maximize this trade. Whenever it does eventually break the blue line. I hope it doesn't here, but maybe it'll do it way up here. I don't know. Look at the SPY monthly candle. It's a breakout, pullback, or retest. Look at SPY monthly. It's a breakout, pullback, or retest. What am I doing? Monthly? Who looks at monthly candles? That's mad. I don't know. I'll look out for this trade. I gotta pay attention to this. Oh, that was satire? Oh, sorry. I can't dictate satire through Twitch messages very well. Ow. Okay, SPY did obviously not meet our short or our cover condition. It is now trying to perk back up, back down $100. Is this now the higher low? Or is this now the higher low and we're moving to highs? That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Nice prints. Nice little lower high prints. Now we're going to go move through higher highs. And squeeze Trey again. Woo! Man, my last 3 shorts have been really fun, haven't they, chat? Trey still doesn't realize 90% of Twitch chat is utter crap. Nah, man, we got a good community here, man. Come on, there's a lot of actual helpful comments in our community. Did you research a short stop loss? I did briefly. I did. Can't find one. The issue, okay, look, the big issue with the short stop losses I was looking at were they were great, right? They stopped me out, whatever. But then the system just got right back in, right? Like I would get stopped out, like that move on Friday. I got stopped out, and then it got right back in. I got stopped out, and then it got right back in. It lost just as much hell, if not even more money, because it was getting in at worse places. I've got to find a way to get it to not get right back in after getting stopped out, right? Which I could figure out how to do. I mean, I figured out how to do it for longs, right? So... okay, SPY did not quite break that high. Is this a double top? I'm throwing out all the random technical analysis things like it matters during the trade, but double top? Higher low? We'll see. We'll see. Cover condition is still down here at 391.9. Two long traps, enough stops filled for a drop? Sure, whatever. I hope so. I hope it comes down. It's a monthly candle breakout too. Of course. Of course. Ooh, good song. Little Saving Abel on the playlist. Come on, SPY. Do something. Jeez Louise. Well, actually, don't do something. Come down. Please don't go up. You've already done something enough to the upside. I've been down what? I think 150, the worst I've been down in this trade. That's already enough excitement to the red side. Let's go to the green side now, please. I love these short setups. I mean, I love my strategy in general. It makes money. Over time, it makes money, right? Even though, you know, not doing so good so far in this trade. We will see. We could easily still make money in this trade. I don't want to jinx it, but we could easily still make money in this trade, especially the way it maximizes. Oh, okay, this is an exit candle. This candle's opening below the blue. Once again, the blue represents the low of 4 bars back, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now the low of 4 bars back was this. So we printed below that. As long as we cover, hold on, I just noticed how many lines are on my chart. As long as we close above the low of this candle, we are exiting this candle. The low, if we close above the low of previous candle, sorry, I can't speak. We're exiting this candle. Which, if it wants to push like this, obviously we will. Oh, come on, Spy. It's like it's fucking with me. At least it's letting me out, I guess. I can't complain. If this does push, I should just be grateful that at least it's letting me out. At least it printed below the blue line. This could have pushed without ever printing below the blue line. Me just continuing to be trapped in it. 1 minute left in this candle. We're halfway through it. 2 minute candles we're trading now, of course. Spy weakness is incoming. We're obviously going to continue trading the strategy today. It's the first trade. Looks like we're going to lose money in it. It's first trade, though. Going to keep trading the strategy today. We've still got plenty of time to lose a lot more money. Don't worry. Oh. There is 20 seconds left in this candle, you little minx. Oh, don't you do it. Don't close below. Excuse me. Excuse me, candle. 10 seconds? Looks like we're break even in the trade. What was that? Excuse me? Oh, Spy. You foxy little minx. And you opened me below the blue line, so no matter what, if this squeezes again, if this is a false breakdown again, I still get to get out. Oh, Spy. Oh. Don't reward me here. Don't reward me for my patience here, Spy. You know you don't want to do that. What was that? I was like, okay. I was like, thank goodness it printed below the blue line, because it's going to squeeze, and we're going to get stopped out for a loss. And then you gave me this candle. What is this? Oh, okay, no. It was just fucking with me again. It's still gonna go squeeze, look. Dude, these moves are ridiculous right now. This candle we got back here, the big breakdown, followed by huge break up. Then we just got a big break up, followed by a big breakdown, followed by now a big break up. Like, what the fuck is going on? Sorry, I need to stop cussing. Especially the F-bomb. I'm trying to cuss less, I'm sorry, but... What else am I supposed to say about this? What is this? Like, what are these candles I'm watching right now on this trade? Like, isn't it fun to be a Spy price action trader when you have to deal with this price action? Like, what? What is going on? Like, I don't even know how to explain any of this. This candle, and now this candle have all been ridiculous. What? I quit. You guys ever just want to quit trading? I quit, chat. Alright, this is my last video. I'm joking, but what am I supposed to do with this information? Like, what am I supposed to do with this data set? How does anybody make money here? How does anybody make money given this data set? What the fuck? You're going high of move. I cussed again. You're going high of move. What the I'm not even like... I'm more like, what the fuck is going on than mad that I just dropped 200 bucks. What? Excuse me? What? I don't know. I'm speechless. What the fuck was that, chat? Like, what am I supposed to do? What do you want from me? What do you want from me in this data set? What am I... What? What the fuck? That was the craziest shit I've ever seen. Alrighty, so we ended that first trade down $200. It was one of the crazier trades I've taken on Spy. I mean, the movement was just insane, and that was a pretty darn good leading indicator to how just all day was going to be on Spy. Let's go ahead and bring it over. We are down $524, which once again is in the zone, the range that we know we can lose in the back test. So it's nothing crazy, but obviously this is 2 bad red days in a row now. I mean, I don't think at one point today I watched Spy and was like, oh, that's a normal move. We got stuck trying to short this uptrend over and over again. Like, all these trades are shorts. I think I've taken like 2 longs today. Almost everything is a short today. trying to short too much into this strength. And SPY has just been an absolute shop fest, especially with this new maximizing strategy. You know, we haven't gotten to maximize really on but like one trade. We call it like a decent short. This was a decent short earlier that we caught earlier in the day. And then we just got another one not too long ago too. It took in like 2 decent trades today and the rest were pretty bad. Yeah, not a lot to harp on here. There's another $524 red day. Might need to look into this, into the short side of the strategy. That once again, this is why you journal. It's why it's important to track this stuff, right? Might need to look into the short side of the strategy. Try to come up with reasons that it should stay out of trades more than just the ATR, because it was shorting way too much into the up move today, and that's what it did on Friday as well. Got stuck in a really bad up move. It's back to both of these red days are because SPY has been extremely strong, right? It was very strong Friday power hour. We got crushed in a short. It was very strong today. We got crushed trying to short it over and over again. Obviously, this is a big blemish on the P&L. We are still profitable. We are still up $700 since we started trading this strategy, but 2 just really bad red days in a row. Once again, both of them are in the range. We're still in the max drawdown of the strategy as well, although we're at it pretty much. The max drawdown of this 2-minute strategy was $1,400. We're now down $1,100 in the last 2 days. So it's all measured stuff. It's all stuff we knew could happen. We've not had to go through it yet, and we are now. But it is what it is. It's all within the realm. Just because I said this on stream, I don't think it ever made the video though. But just because we lost a lot of money on Friday doesn't mean that we have any less of a chance to lose it today. The market doesn't care that you lost a bunch of money on Friday. You have the same statistical odds to lose that money again today, and unfortunately we did. So might have to take a look at the very least, the short side of the new 2-minute strategy, because obviously now the new 2-minute strategy is not profitable. It's also only the 4th day we've been trading it, but yeah, it's not been too fun. Here's the detailed statistics. Once again, we'll flip back over to this new max drawdown. Of course, it's measured. It's a max drawdown that we knew could happen. This is why I'm trading this size, right? People ask me, you know, while we were going up nice and dandy and we were lucky, but you know, the system didn't hit a max drawdown. I get a lot of questions. Trey, why don't you size up? Trey, why don't you size up? This is why you don't size up. You know from the back testing, you know this is possible. You know it can happen. It hasn't happened yet. That's all fine and dandy. But you size up too early. All of a sudden, we're down $3,000 instead of $1,400, and I'm back under PDT, right? So keep the bankroll managed. Max drawdown can hit you at any time. It sucks when it happens. It's not fun when it happens, but you know it can happen. And obviously here it is happening to us. And here I am sharing it with you, which is also not very fun for me, but hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully you guys enjoy the transparency. Trying to show you guys what trading is really like. This is trading. Welcome to real day trading. This happens, right? I'm going to plug away, see if we can make improvements to the strategy tonight. And if I find anything in the code, I will obviously let you all know on tomorrow's video. But that's going to be it for today. Hit like to make me feel better once again. Hit the red subscribe button if you appreciate the transparency and want to continue to see these recap videos every single day for free. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I will catch you all in the next one.